This test kit is an essential tool in clinical laboratories and hospitals, where speed and accuracy are crucial for medical decision-making. Designed for routine testing in patients with suspected cancer, it allows for the reliable and efficient detection of up to 18 tumor markers. Fully compatible with CLII immunoassay analyzers, this kit ensures a standardized and safe testing process. It should be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius to guarantee reagent stability. Each package is available in boxes of 24, 50, or 100 tests, adapting to the needs of each laboratory. The kit uses the alkaline phosphatase AP platform and has been calibrated with 2 or 6 points according to laboratory requirements. It also has an 18-month quality guarantee period and complies with CE, ISO 13485, and FSC certifications, ensuring international safety and quality standards for every test performed.